car?
In the car, not on the seat.
You can test me.
Init!
Specifically where you want it to be hot.
Muntik na masunog ang aking legs. But anyway, pupunta tayo ng Donam. Hi! Hi, Michaela! I have no seatbelt. So, recycling first, and then Donam, and then Alde! I miss to go to Alde. They have everything I need. Morrison.
Fuel in.
Ah? Alde?
Fuel.
I want to get...
Fuel.
You can go somewhere. Hoy, what are you doing? You're crazy, oh. Lilito yung ating camera. Don't make the car smelly. Rotten egg. Baho.
Like pa rin dito yung tayo
My camera is dying because of your bad smell. Carbon dioxide. It's shaking. It's very hot. It's first time that I wear shorts going out. Magpapajama sana ako kasong init. Ayun, naka-shorts tayo. Tapos yung aircon ni Mr. ang lakas.
Ito was isa.
Yatay. Recycling center.
Oh,
Hump, hump.
oh.
Dami ni Mr. kasing itatapon na box and plastic styros. Ay, kaso hindi yata nadala ni Mr. ang styro. Hindi ko masya sa ating car. Yeah, I know. Only the boxes, isn't it?
Ito Michael can understand a little bit of Tagalog. Ano ba? Nakakaintindi na ako dito.
Familiar na sa kanya. Where are you going, Mr.? Skip not in used. Where are you going? Marites tayo kay Mr.
Yes, ka.
Oh, careful ha, the car. Go. What's this? Woods?
Yeah. Down there.
Do you need me? Plastics? Where's the woods? Wood and paper? This is plastic. Dami laman. Puro wood. You need plastic.
Again.
Yeah, still good. Okay, let's go. Let's go! Nagtapon na tayo. Hindi ko alam kung na-record ba yung ano natin. Tapon ng kahoy. It's very maalikabok. So pag hindi ka siya sa basurahan, sabihin ng inyong mga basura, kailangan yung dalhin dito.
You could do with this aircon in the Philippines, couldn't you?
Huh? What?
The aircon in this car you could do it in the Philippines.
Banas, yani. Yeah.
Even Kenneth said that, that's really clever.
Yeah.
Dunno.
Tunam. Bakit? Let's go! Pindede, huwag niyo limutan. Dito tayo sa Donel. Ah, dikit, no?
Hindi niya na po ba ano yun si Ella?
Ano? Wala yung carry, wala yung dala. Halika na. Diretso. Huwag mong dalihin ng side mirror nila.
Oo nga.
Hotdog.
Up? There's no card? Kuha tayo ng isa. Ito. Iisa na. Toweling. So we're gonna get one Magkano to? 12 pound. Oh, Nash. Baba mo.
Ano ba? Okay.
Naman ito. Oh. Mahal. How much? Have you measured?
Yeah.
No?
We want that.
Hi! Hi, hi! Hi, guys daw. Hi, guys! Curtain yan. Ano ba yan? Ba't ganyan yung buo?
Dapat mother.
One-sided nga yung hair niya eh. Kata mo yung hair mong nakatayo. Kita na yung pante. Ay, tsaka muna bigat mo.
Same. Both same.
Yeah, okay. Is that the same as ours?
Similar.
Okay.
Oh, this is
Ah, different color. That's fine. I'm gonna put it different bedroom. That's good for the kitchen. Still have the lights. But for the bedroom, it should be closed para hindi nakakasilaw. Oh, you choose your color.
So if you're going to get something like a drum, you ideally
Ayan sa taas oh, ang mga idea.
on the ceiling,
Not good for the ceiling.
£6.
It's for lampshade.
yung parang ganito.
Is it? That's what you want, Nash?
Yung parang ganito lang mo. No? Yes, no.
How much is that? 5 pound. Is that what you want, Isay? Ito gray, oh. Parang gusto ko yun. Yung nakita ng tito mo. You choose. Here, oh, there's more. How much? 12 pound? Nash want this.
Ay! Ah, lantern.
Ikaw, Say. Ano sa'yo? Ayun, may red sa taas. Blue. Ay, may blue pa sa taas. Oh.
One pink.
Orange. Parang orange.
Parang LED.
You go. You do. You don't like it.
She doesn't like the feel of it.
She don't like cat. What about dog? Not gonna like a dog?
No.
More. More. The foot. The foot. Oh, you do. Dali, you do. Touch it. Feel it. Let her feel. Feel. Ay!
She just doesn't like the feel of it, yeah.
Dudututan para babalik.
O, dali, Isay. Ano sa'yo? Ikaw na lang. Here, Isay. Say. They have more here, oh.
Uy, color pink.
Ayun sa taas yung mga ano, oh. Samples. Ito pink, Say. Kaso na, kakasilaw pa rin. Yeah, you want that? Yeah? Final answer?
Yes.
4 pound. Nash is 15, I think, or 12.
Mga ito mo ng 50. Oh.
Eh, yun ang gusto mo. O, green then 4.
900.
If you choose green, it's 4. Or here, blue. This one is 5.
Among gray.
Blue. This is look like blue-gray, isn't it? What about black?
Maybe.
Ay, black. I think black is na. Ito. Black is also nice. What's that?
Puan po.
Do we have? Ay, it is done na. What's 4?
Steps to it.
Okay. You gonna get one? How much?
6.
Yeah, for the kitchen. For this one, so she's not climbing on the countertop.
900 naman.
Small is fine.
Uy, black.
Pwede na mag-share si Isay.
Nakikibaril na yun. Look at Michaela. She's so curious also. Okay, we're finished. Nasa doon na. Punta na tayong Alde. Talbog ang 174 pound ni Mister. Watch out, there's a car parking.
Are you sure
But-
you're close enough?
Ang bait ng ating baby, hindi na umiyak sa kanyang car seat.
All the room in the world to go into. Yeah. Too slow.
In Aldi na, first time again sa Aldi. Simula nung bumalik tayo dito sa UK. Ay, hindi pa pala namatay. Ikaw na magpatay, te. Nasa bag ka na. Bahala ka dyan. Usapin mo muna yung sarili mo. Wala na. Bigat mo. Kayla, where are you daw? Sa Aldi tayo, Gray. Sa init. Grabe sa init.
Stop.
Let's go na. You have to be quick. You like it? Isa, i-push mo si Michaela. Huwag mo iiwan. Baka mawala yan, ha? Tayo na. Kinain lang. Tayo ng saging. 88p. Uy! Try natin tong grapefruit.
Just get ready, okay?
Isay, balik mo yung mango. Say, pakilagay mo to doon.
Mango?
Parang tulis ng kuko.
Ay,
Uy! Why she sit like that? Tay mango, isa lang. Say,
nakapili ka orange.
you stay here.
Ikaw daw po pumili na orange.
Ito lang.
Bakit?
Try orange. 99. Let's get some blueberry. 1 pound and 9 penny. Lang.
Boarded them all up.
Yeah. Tapos na tayo guys sa Alde.
Inside
Uwi
sa
na
shop.
tayo. Makakapagod masyadong
But they've
nasa
made it
labas.
so they can put them back to houses again when they come to sell.
Yeah. We're near home.
32. You got all the washing done now.
I think so.
Until they make some more. And what a bit.
Yung ano, parang cubes. Pork cubes, parang ganon. We're home guys.
Bye-bye, Michaela dyan.
Habang labas ito. Shopping haul tayo guys. Ano kaya to? Baka mamaya natulo na naman. Hello. Ay!
Tutulong lang po ako kay Tito.
Ano ko? Ay. Ang ganda ng ating background, yung frame. Hi. So, ang napamili natin guys, ang napamili sa Donel, may mga cortina, curtain rod ay 174 pound na agad yun. And sa Alde ay 113.74. I thought you said 117.
What was it?
113.
Oh, what's 17?
113.74. Okay. I'll do the pork first for the freezer stuff. This is we're gonna use for kagawa si Mr. ng stroganoff para sa ating dinner.
So we've got
I got
lots of cereals.
them some biscuit. I need the pork, chicken,
Right at the bottom.
banana. Oops.
Bottom of the one you've got.
Here.
Yeah.
Lalagay na agad natin sa freezer ng ating wet goods. How much is this? 6 pound? Buksan na nga natin to. Ipapatong ko dito yung ating... I'm gonna use this for the groceries. So, binili din natin to sa Dunelm. Apakan. Para na-fold dito. Ang tigas. Patungan natin ng grocery. It looks nice, the chair. It looks sturdy. Parang maganda siyang apakan, oh. Yeah. So, lalagay ko yung grocery natin para hindi ako yuko ng yuko. Bumili Mr. ng tomatoes. Mr. ng orange. Bumili tayo ng mga biscuit. Marami ng biscuit ngayon. Noodles. Bumili tayo ng mackerel. Pero i-freezer ko na to. Ay, ang pangit yata ng aking nabiling ano, oh. Banana. Mura lang tong banana natin. Parang 80-90 lang. Smells bad. Ay! What ay ano? Where did you found the, ano, mackerel? Can't see it. Really?
Put the fallen down. So the box says mackerel. When you looked, it was peppered mackerel.
Is this good beef? Security. May ganito pa guys para pag kinuha, ninakaw, tutunog.
Can we have ano po as a snack?
Can have it na. What is that? The ano?
Yes.
Yeah.
You.
Didn't they come in for Christmas?
Ito tayo ng lemon.
I'll ask. Do you want to make
This one.
Besides,
Pork ba to?
sila ano? Basta mga bata.
29. Oh! Ito tayong cereals. For ano, children at saka kay Mr. Mahilig sila sa cereals. Hindi ako masyado mahilig sa cereals. Kabili si Mr. ng beer. Sinamantala niya sale kasi 13.29. 18 can na yun. Ito yung mga veggies. Ganito na ang binili kong broccoli at cauliflower. Mix na. Bili tayo ng spinach. Good for our baby. So, ilan na to? Gano, ang dami nitong spinach na ating nabili. As usual, nagbili na naman ng ice. Ano? Strawberries. Hi! You should want? She wants to go to bed, I think. Butter.
put it behind it, yeah.
Lutin na natin to. Mga gulay-gulay lang naman to. Kabili ulit tayo ng corn. And bagong carrots. Oh. Bumili tayo ng blueberry, guys. Tanyo naman, nilapirot na. At saka ng cherry. And then grapes ni Mr. pala, nakabili din tayo ng mango, oh. Ano to? Apple mango. At saka, red grapefruit. So, ayan. And then, kamote para sa ating baby. And avocado. I'm not sure kung maganda tong avocado na to. Laki ng buto ng avocado nila dito. Then, onion. Here. Wala din tayong garlic. Bumili tayo ulit ng coconut milk para sa ating lutuin. So, yan lang yung binili natin, guys. Wala namang masyado. Tubig pala. Tapos mga tinapay, biskwit ng ating mga bagets. Kasi lagi silang nasa labas, laro ng laro. For sure, nagugutom sila. Lalabas natin to para pag punta ni Mr. sa car is, makita niya sa pinto. Let's check, guys, kung anong ginagawa nila. Let's see. What's happened there?
She's trying to make my grass mold.
My? And then she gonna eat it. She's turning into a lamb. What's wrong? What are you doing? Why are you doing that? Ang kalat pa ng ating garden. Ay, where's my slipper? I thought it's here. You trying to have some sun? Huh? You had a lot in the Philippines. Just a homemade smell.
Yeah, I saw the
She wants the
saw
camera.
the pants and thought, well, you can give them a try. They were $1.99, I think. Did you check on the price?
Not yet, no. I didn't check everything. It's very hot. You're gonna burn her. Show your face daw. Hi, hala. It's so hot, isn't it? It's very hot.
So I told them to go and play out. There's not many more days like this.
Michaela, no, 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 no. That's dirty. Papasok na tayo sa loob and then aakyat tayo. Dahil ikaw ay matutulog na. Papatulogin natin itong batang to. Uy, ang dilim. Let's try the cake. Want to try? You like it? Pinapatry ko na siya, guys, na mga konting yung ganitong food. Masarap siya. Hindi siya ganun katamis din. Sorry. Mama's eat it all. Bye-bye na daw ikaw. Bye-bye, guys! Bye-bye! See you later! See you later! Wow! Ay, grabe ang sikat ng araw. Bukas malamig na ulit. Kaya sabi ni Mr. sa mga bagets ay sulitin daw ang init sa labas. Ang dami ng batang naglalaro. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Dahil ang bigat-bigat. Ang bigat-bigat mo naman talaga. Mamaya tayo ulit, guys, mag-vlog. Try ko patulugin ito. Dahil si Mr. magluluto ng ating dinner. Magagawa siya ng kanyang specialty stroganoff. And favorite ko yun. Sarap. Bumili pala ako ng ganito, guys. Oh, grater. Tsaka, bumili tayo ng frame para sa dalawang bata. Design nila. Tapos ito sa akin dito sa labas. And then, ayan. Curtain rod. Tapos yun sa toilet. Yung ring, towel ring. Tapos ito para sa kanilang ilaw. Para sa lamp. And nappy. Bumili din pala, guys, si Mr. ng dalawang blackout curtain para sa kwarto ng mga bata. Kasi pag summer dito, 'di ba? Kahit 10 na ng gabi, sobrang liwanag pa talaga. Kaya bumili si Mr. Luluto na si Mr. ng favorite ko, stroganoff. Where is it? Oh, it's here.
I put some pseudo-creme on Nash's hands.
I have antibiotic there. Put some
The thing about taking in the pushchair is it makes her relaxed, doesn't it?
bread. Hungry na.
Ashley, if you could have a sandwich, I said, no. I said, you can have a packet of crisps.
Is that okay? Do you want me to toast? Toast?
No.
Just that?
You want the crust of the bread?
I don't want bread. Right here. Garlic onion. Ay! Yeah, sorry. Tapos na guys, magluto si Mister. Ito ang kanyang naluto. Yan. Nakakuha na tayo. And that's it. Late na umalis yung kanyang kuya. Late na siya. Hi! Shoes! Saan ang impol? I think it's that chicken broth mixed in.
No, I think this is good.
Good naman. Mmm!
Ayun yung gusto niya.
It's still full.